Yes, now we will learn multiplication in Vedic mathematics by base method. Okay, here what is base method? That is to understand firstly. Suppose one example is there to solve. It is 97 multiplied by 105. Here what are we understanding? If we will observe this example, we can understand that both the numbers given 97 and 105 are near to 100. It means to solve such type of example, we are deciding a base, we are taking a base 100, and then we will solve this example. It means in this example we are defining the base 100. That like according to given numbers, our base can be 10 or 100 or 1000 and so on. According to example it can be changed. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing, here in the multiplication by base method there are 4 types of example. First type of example would be what? Suppose our base is 100 and our example is what? 97 multiplied by 88. Here we are observing that both the given number are less than base. Both the given numbers are less than base. This would be one type of example. Second may be what? Suppose one example is what? 115 multiplied by 103. Here what are we understanding? Both the given numbers are greater than base. Here numbers are near the 100, so we would take 100 as a base, and both the given numbers are greater than base. Means first type is what? Less than base. Second type, just now we are studying, it is greater than base. And another type would be what? One number would be greater than base and another number would be less than base. If this like example is there, this is third one type. And fourth one type we are going to study today. It is, suppose example is 48 multiplied by 46. Here is a confusion because those two numbers are not near the 10, not near the 100. Then at this time what to do? That we will learn in the splitting method. Okay, let's go on. And firstly we are studying multiplication by base method, and first one is what? Our numbers would be less than base. This type of methods we are going to study. So first example, obviously we are taking simple. It is 9 multiplied by 8. Here I want to rub this 8 multiplication sign because you know this is the multiplication in Vedic mathematics. Okay, to solve this example, here is base 10 because numbers are near the base. Then what to do? This number, first one number is less than 1 by base. Less than 1. Less than 1. Actually I have put it is negative sign, minus sign with this one, but I have not put this minus sign here, I have put upside. Okay. Another number is 8 is less than 2 by base. That's it. Means firstly to solve the example by base method, firstly we found a number which is less than base. And that we got here. Then it is less 1 and it is less 2. In the example, our first step would be there, multiplication of these two numbers what we have found in the right side of the example. Then 1 2s are 2. Less 1 into less 2. It became 2. And now you have to subtract this side's 2 from it, or this side's 1 from 8. We can do 9 minus 2 is 7. By solving some more example, you will understand easily everything. Here we got the answer 7 to 72. That's it. Okay. Actually here 72 is there. We just by rubbing the line we will understand 72 is the example. Then how 70 has been formed, that is also to understand. In Vedic maths, here 0 of the base has been hidden with the left side number. It means it is what? 7 and 0 in the base is, it means 70, and for this cross line there is a plus sign. So 70 plus 2, 72 is the answer. But everything this like doing is not necessary. Just by rubbing a line you will get the answer. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Second one example just now we are taking, that is also so simple. It is 9 multiplied by 9. Again to do that, rubbing the sign. Okay, 9 is less than 1 by base, less than 1 by base. So now directly multiplication, 1 ones are 1. Now cross line, 9 minus 1 is 8. Answer is 81. Okay, here we got the example. Now one rule I want to tell you that you maybe know definitely. Suppose we are multiplying numbers and our first one number is positive, means plus, and second one number is positive, and we are multiplying the two numbers. Positive number multiplied by positive number means plus number multiplied by plus number. We know that answer sign would be also definitely plus. With same signs multiplication, answer. Okay, that like suppose first one number is negative, second one number is negative, and if we are multiplying, if they both have same sign, answer sign would be plus. Observe it if you don't know properly. Okay, here suppose first one is plus, second one is minus, or second one is minus and first one is minus, second one is negative. In this both cases answer sign would be negative. Observe this rule firstly. If the same signs in the multiplication, if both number have same sign, then your answer sign would be positive, and if both number signs are different, then your answer sign would be negative. That's it. Okay, so next one example, that would be also very simple, but a little next step. It would be 7 multiplied by 5. Now 7 is less than 3 by base, 5 is less than 5 by base. Now 5 3s are, it means 3 5s are 15, plus 15 is there, and now 7 minus 5, 2 is there. Now here is a little bit to understand more differently. Okay, here 215 is not answer. Here one thing is there, we have to see how many zeros are there in our base. As those both numbers are near the base, near the 10, so 10 is our base of this example. Base having 1 0, so that as a right part of our answer we are needing only one digit here, because base have 1 0. So here we got answer 2 digit. So in this case this tens place digit means another digit we have to transfer in this side, we have to carry forward in this side, and so what would happen, I should add this one in this 2. So finally 2 plus 1 3, and that 5, 35 is our final answer. Yes. Again just review one more time example. 7 is less than 3 by base, 5 is less than 5 by base. Now less 3 into less 5, less 3 into less 5, 15 answer came, and here 7 minus 5, 2 came. Now 15 is 2 digit, but in our base only 1 0 is there, so we were requiring 1 digit number here. So rest of 1 digit number here, so rest of digit we transferred here, and 2 plus 1 3 came, and that one 5 I have put down. Okay, another example we will solve, so then again you will be more clear by doing it. Now we are taking 2 digit number. Okay, suppose our example is 900 multiplied by 98 multiplied by 89. Then here we can define base as 100 because both are near the base, and we know we are learning less than base type, so it is the first one type we know. Okay, chalo, let's subtract this number from the base. 98 is less than 2 by base, and next one number is less than 11 by base. Okay, now the multiplication of the right side digits, less 2 into less 11 is plus 22, that we wrote here. Now 98 minus 11, else 89 minus 2, 87 is there. The final answer is itself only 8722. This cross line number I can cross down, I can rub down. Okay, here there is no any change or no transferring number. Why like that? Because here I got in the right side of the answer, I got 2-digit number 22, and here in my base there are 2 zeros. So here it was not necessary to transfer digit here. Final answer was 8722. Yes? Okay. Now we will take one more example of 2-digit. Here we will take 95 multiplied by 95. Both numbers are less than base. Okay. So 95 is less than 5 by base, same here as it is, and now less 5 into less 5, answer 25. 95 minus less 5, 95 minus 5 is 90. Here final answer is 9025. Okay, here this number and this number has to combine. Plus 95 minus 5, combining both, answer is coming 90. You know it. Okay, we are rubbing this only, this also example, and now we are turning to one example. That would be 88 multiplied by 88. Okay, here this number is less than 12 by base. It one is also less than 12 by base. Okay, multiplying 12 into 12, answer is coming 144. Now 88 minus 12 are 76. Okay, here also in the base 2 zeros are there, and here we got the answer of 3-digit. Right side's part we have got of 3-digit. In this case our rule is what? We are requiring only 2 digits, so rest of digit we have to transfer here. Okay, by transferring it is becoming 77, and this 44 taking down, the final answer we are getting, it is 744. Again to understand, 12 into 12, 144 was there, but base had 2 zeros, so we were requiring only 2 digits here. So rest of third one digit we transferred here, means we add in the left side's number 76, so it became 77. Okay, no problem. Now we have to rub this one. Now one more example that we will take. Here you will understand one more different point here. Our example is 98 multiplied by 97. Okay, it is less than 2, it is less than 3 by base, you know it. Okay, now 2 less than 2 into less 2 into less 3 is 6. Now 98 minus 3 is 95, but still this example's answer is not completed yet now. Okay, if you will observe, something is missing here. Okay, then what is missing? We always say how many zeros are there in the base? 2. So that we are needing here 2-digit number in the right side, but here we got just only 1-digit number. In this case, by adding 0 in the left side of this number, we can complete this number answer. Okay, we added 0 here because we were requiring this number as a 2-digit number. Okay, so we added 0 to make it 2-digit, and now our final answer is 9506. Again, this example to understand properly. this number is less than 2 by base, this number is less than 3 by base. Now 2 3s are 6 came here, this is my cross line. 98 minus 3, 95 came, but here as our rule, here in the base 2 zeros are there, so right part of the answer we were requiring 2 digit. We got just only 1 digit by the producting it, so we are adding 1 0 here to make it 2 digit number, and so final answer we got 9506. Okay, now we are turning to 3 digit number.